sure it looks stained or something, but it's just, I think it's the shadow of my camera. Yeah, it sure is. Well, we're learning and we're growing. Am I recording? Great. Yes, I am. We're here today because I am slowly packing for a girls' trip this weekend. I'm very excited. I'm going to Ohio, which doesn't sound like exactly the destination, but one of my best friends in the world lives there, and it's gonna be a what? A girls' trip. But I'm just trying to decide what to bring. I may bring some of this stuff. I may bring none of it. Any combination of what strikes me between now and in basically 6 days when I leave. I'm just going for a long weekend, and I haven't seen them in over a year. Yeah, I haven't seen my friends from the East Coast in over a year. So I'm very excited. I'm probably gonna cry. I feel a little bit like I'm gonna cry thinking about it right now. So let's just get into the makeup, okay? Well, for primer, I only really have one thing over here because I think I just couldn't bear to think of anything else. It's this e.l.f. Cookies and Dreams. Just looks like this. Makes me look a little pasty. But I'm gonna put some of that on and let that set up using the viewfinder as my mirror. This primer does make my skin look very nice. The complexion products that I'm thinking about bringing, it's gonna be either or of these. It's gonna be my two Glossier concealers. I have the colors G7 and G6, or I have this. I have my Bobbi Brown University, like all of the correctors and all of the stick foundations. Is that completely excessive? Absolutely. But you can do so much with stuff like this. I mean, I wouldn't need to bring a bronzer. That's basically it. It would just replace like bronzer. I think I'm gonna get ready with this today and just see how I feel about it. I'm just gonna be dipping in and out of all of the different colors because I can. I used to do people's makeup, and you can see it's, I mean, if you're a makeup artist and you don't know about this, consider this your sign to get it. It basically paid for itself in one job. Let's see, I'm gonna get a little bit of maybe dark peach. I'm just going in with this with my fingers because I use this on myself now. I have a lot of darkness around my chin. I got a fading cream to help me with that. I have not used it at all, so it won't help. So it's kind of darker under my eyes here. So I'm gonna take this bisque color. Let me just go in with the easy thing. Let me just go in with my Glossier concealers. I'm gonna take the deeper one, G6, which looks like this. I'm just gonna dot it around my face. I have the new Jessie Ware album stuck in my head, various songs stuck in my head. It's so good. If you like dance or disco, R&B, it's such a good album. Let's see. Yeah, that looks like decent coverage, right? Taking the lighter one here. Let's let that set up there for just a second. Whoops, that was the magnifying side. I'll take this Bobbi Brown. I'm gonna prime my eyes. The foundation color, Cool Beige. So I wanna set it up with something lighter. That's much lighter. I forget how much I love these though. You can really mix them with moisturizer. They're nice and stiff. They warm up well with the skin, and you just get any color under the sun. It's very good. Ooh. Squinty. Shall I do a little cream bronzing from here? Why not? Let's not go too hard, shall we? Let's go for the color Golden. I don't think I can see. Very gentle. Very, very gentle. Let's do the eyebrows. Oh my God. No, not bad, right? Okay. I always get nervous because whenever I put on makeup, I don't want to look like a tangerine. Everything ends up looking orange. The next I'm using, I know I'm bringing this. I'm definitely bringing this. This is my brow book from Senna. And I use this for damn near everything. I use this for contour, I use this for eyeshadow, I use this for my brows, I use this for eyeliner. It's great. Got a lot of undertones, a lot of variations. I really see the beauty in having a product like this. I dip, you dip, we dip into any combination of colors. Really just depends on what I'm feeling. If I want a nice bold brow where I'm like really looking at people very sternly, then I can have that. What am I in the mood for today? Who knows? We'll see. I'm letting my eyebrows guide me. I keep looking at the magnifying side of that mirror and I'm not in the mood for it. I just saw 2 videos recently from Hannah Louise Poston and Andrea Ali, who are 2 of my favorite YouTube creators. And they were both just kind of talking about being on camera when you can't even. And I'm really, you know, I'm learning my YouTube flow again. I started making videos in I think 2013. Yeah, we're getting there. Nice and thin. That's how I like my brows to look on me. But I never really got into a flow of it, like really accepted that I wanted to do it, like that I wanted to be a creator, or that I wanted to have this as part of my creative career. I think because I felt embarrassed whenever I talked to my coworkers about it and stuff. I lived in New York, and basically everyone that I worked with was also trying to be a performer, but I don't know. I think I just let my own insecurity, I was just like, oh, well, they think this is cool. And you know, sometimes people don't understand what you're trying to do. They don't think that what you're doing is cool until you do it. You know, for a long time, you're the only one that has to have the strongest vision. And I think I was just, you know, I was just very concerned with what everybody thought. And if everybody thought I was doing a good job. And I think about that and I'm like, oh, little baby me 10 years ago. But we're here and we're doing it and we're back. So there we are. I'm going to try and not stick my face in the shadow, but who knows? Things we do in the shadows. That's the name of this video. Okay, next, okay. Next I have this CoverGirl Clean Invisible Loose Powder, and I can tell you right now, I'm almost 99.9% for sure. I am for sure. I'm almost sure. Let me not get decimals into this. I'm almost sure that I'm not gonna take a loose powder with me, but I wanna use it today. It comes with this nice little puff, the Bobbi Brown makeup, and even the Glossier too, I feel like works best on me with a loose powder. Loose powder just really gets you ready for the day. I keep trying to do this without a mirror, and it's just not the way. Powdering a little bit of my eyelids so it's not so creamy on there. Maybe I'll touch up my eyebrows a little bit. Let's do eyes next. The 2 eyeshadow palettes that I'm thinking of bringing are the Sigma Warm Neutrals Volume 2 and the Extravaganja palette from Trixie Cosmetics. This is the Extravaganja palette, very wonderful and colorful. And then this is the Sigma Neutrals. I love this one because it leans more pinky mauve burgundy in terms of neutrals than it does like orangey brown. I was looking at these and I was like, oh, I don't really have a black. This reflective one, whoa, I don't have control of my pinky. In the bottom left of this, it looks very reflective on camera, but it's more of a black, like a sparkly black. But I do have the black, this is straight up black in my brow book. And that is, I just dug my nail into it. That is very black, and this is something that I can definitely use for a black eyeshadow. Okay, I think I'm gonna put the Sigma one on now. What do I wanna do here? Okay, I'm gonna take the color Henna. Do we need to do this? I don't know. Holy shit. Okay, well that's got a lot going on for it. Oh, it's beautiful though, geez. Oh, that color. Ooh, it's a nice undertone. I haven't used this. Have I ever used this? Maybe. Let's see. I'll use this After Hours color to kind of ground it a little bit. Kind of a similar depth, but a different undertone. Just make it more neutral. It's gonna be all matte. I'm not sure yet. Maybe. Let's get this toasty color in the corner. Yeah. And then we'll get this humble color, very matte cream in the corner. And maybe satin. Satin. Yeah, nothing too glitzy, but maybe we can get wild on the lips. I think this is going to be the eyeliner that I bring. This is the Anastasia Waterproof Creme Color in the color Jet. It's straight up black. It's very powerful. It's a very powerful color. I'm going to use this Smith 202 brush. Tiny. She's tiny. Just give myself a little line. Let's do this liner. I don't know why I got you close so that you could see this eyeliner job. There's nothing for you to see here, but that's experimentation for you. Nothing to see here, nothing to see. But we're gonna put on falsies, so it's gonna cover this. And I think I want to smudge it out with some eyeliner too. When you're a glamorous woman, you have to be able to make decisions on the fly like this. I'm gonna take the black. I think I'm just gonna take the black. It's just called black. Just smudging that line. Just making it a little more forgiving. Okay, I'm moving this camera back because there is no reason. We're just spending time together. There's no reason you need to look at my makeup like this. Okay, there are all my books. Let me put on some mascara so we can see this. I think I'm gonna put the falsies on off camera because, oh my God. No, my tripod. Listen to me, I'm blaming my tripod. It's me, it's me. This is my MACstack mascara with the micro brush. Okay, don't mind me just getting mascara all over myself. This is more or less the eye look. Very, very simple, can kind of go with anything. I'm gonna do a little nose contour, I think. Let me tell you how not skilled I am at nose contour is I use this brush. I go into the two lightest colors here. This is how I've usually been doing it. Nose contour to me, that's like a pro move for sure. Just gonna kind of do that. Kinda, is it? Okay. All right, then I'm gonna put highlighter on. This is from ABH Cosmetics. Put the tiniest bit of that on because this is potent. Ooh. Okay. Very pretty highlight. I also am gonna bring this Vive Skin Dew. I think. I mean, it's just beautiful. It's just more of a cream. These are both great. This is like a cream to powder, sort of a gelée formula. And this is just a straight up cream, but it's not sticky. It's more, it almost feels like serum-y or like skincare. So I might bring them both. I'm literally gone for a weekend. Okay. I'm just looking at my nose going, I can just really see my nose. Okay, let me stop this. I'll be right back. I'm gonna put on some false lashes. Okay, this is gonna like inadvertently turn into a Marilyn Monroe tutorial because I didn't mean to go this hard with the lashes. I just grabbed this, what is it? This Makeup Geek pair of lashes. I got this at JC Penney for like a wheel of a steel of a deal. These are the Ava lashes. I don't even think I ordered these. I think I ordered a different pair and they just sent me the Avas and I was like, well, they're lashes. I just love fake eyelashes so much. Okay. Suddenly that with my nose contour doesn't look so terrible. I do feel like I need to take down this hair though. Okay. Okay, let's put on some blush. I have a couple of creams here. I have this Tower 28 color in Power Hour, and I have my Nudies Matte Cream Blush in Picante, and I have whatever. Oh, this powder blush. It might be the powder blush today. This Cheek to Chic color in Love is the Drug. I feel like that's the vibe, no? At least let me swatch these other blushes for you. Picante, Power Hour. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, it might be Power Hour. And then let's swatch blush. The powder. I mean, you can't really see it on here, but ooh. I'm kind of going for Powder Hour, no? Okay, let's just try a little. See how I feel. I've already powdered my face though. Oh boy. Well, let's get that on there. Jesus. What a pretty color. Gosh. Oh gosh, I feel like Mariah Carey. Okay. Okay, this blush is coming. Oh! Ooh! Oh, gorge. I love this. Oh, all right. Okay. Okay, we're back in business. Okay. I feel like I need to put on a big lip for this now. I brought a number of choices over, and I don't feel like I want to use any of them. Oh my god. They're mainly all glosses. Let me try on one of these Glossier. I'll try on this holographic one with the shimmer. I'm gonna put on my Stone lip liner. Just on the outside. And this is the, what is it called? Yeah, holographic. A holographic lip gloss. I don't know about holographic. I see more of just like a straight up pink reflect, but maybe there's gold in there too. I don't know. Okay. I can't get over how much this looks like I have ear pods in. They're not. They're very cute earrings. Okay. So what do I think is definitely coming with me? Here's what I'm going to do is I'm going to film a follow-up video with exactly what I did bring, and let's see how we did. I think this primer, most definitely, the e.l.f. Cookies and Dreams, that's coming. I think this brush, my Sigma F80, coming. Highlighters, I know what I just said, but I'm still undecided, I feel. I think I'm undecided. Mascara, this is my baby, absolutely. Oh, this, my Brow Book, for sure. For sure. I'm still undecided on my concealers and the Bobbi Brown book. I think it all came together for sure. These lashes, I don't know, but here's what's probably going to happen is that I won't make a decision during the week, and I will be like, I put them on and I liked them, so I'll throw them in the bag. That's probably what'll end up happening. The lashes will come by default. But this is the look that we have right now on this Good Sunday. I hope this was fun. I needed this. I needed to have a little zhuzh. I'm gonna flip my hair once more. Tell me if you guys are going anywhere special this summer. Is that what I want to say? Is that too personal? Where are you guys going this summer? Let me know your travel plans. Anyway, I can't wait to check in with you after and let you know what I actually brought, what was successful, what wasn't, and I will see you in the next video. Later, skaters.